Okay, guys. Oh, whoops. Hold up. Hold on, guys. Hold on, I'm sorry. I'm so sorry. You know what? I'm just not gonna do that right now. But you know, we are gonna do a video. Duh, that's why you clicked on this video. But yeah, we're gonna be seeing. First time I see somebody with this hat, the video ends. Yeah, and the only forest I can check is the only map I can check is forest. So let's go into that right now. And we're gonna be looking for.
You just scared me.
Are you serious?
Brother, oh my gosh. Spam report the whole lobby.
And I can't ask them if they have it.
Spam reporting the whole lobby? Not me.
I have to actually see. And nobody's in this lobby. Was that, bro? That lobby was named Yacht. As far as I saw.
Wanna play Ghost in the Graveyard?
Oh shit! Nobody has it.
Come to Stump if you wanna play Ghost in the Graveyard.
Oh man.
Hello.
Hey, will you play Ghost in the Graveyard with me?
Who wants to play Ghost in the Graveyard?
Who wants to play Ghost in the Graveyard? Who wants to play Ghost in the Graveyard? The code is ROOM.
What did he just say? Bro just said ghost in the graveyard is correct. Why can't I get up there? Bro, I am so bad. Bro,
I'm so close. Yes. Oh my goodness.
how can you do it? But I can't.
Is there anyone else?
Oh,
What's your name? Wait, is your name just JJ or is this something else?
I can't tell you my real life name.
No, just like on here.
Is JJUY. I'm not joining. I'm doing a video. Bro, I actually thought I was joining. I feel bad for that.
2 more minutes.
No. Okay, no. Oh yeah, and I have to own it. Okay, no, we're just.
I'm not the best at ground, but it's okay.
You thought.
Ground's horrible at ground. Why?
What do you think you want? Nobody in this lobby. Come on.
Is anybody in here higher than Platinum 2?
Okay, no, no. This isn't a joke. And they have to own it. Can't just. Okay, now I'm gonna check. Oh, there we go.
Why? That is so.
Yeah, no, that's
so
cheating.
terrible.
That's just cheating.
You didn't?
He's gonna go into.
And you're a girl too.
Enforce. Bro, imagine we see him.
You're basically the guy that's making
Wait, let me actually check. Oh, wait, no. Oh my god, bro. Since this is here, like that's on the arena. I thought it was it, bro. It's like I don't know how I can see it from there.
I'm freaking like.
Wait, does he have it? Wait.
He's not.
He doesn't have any cosmetics. Sorry for the people who don't have any cosmetics or just choose to not get any cosmetics.
Wait. Oh my god, it's a black man.
Whoa, okay. We are done with that lobby.
Oh my god.
I went all into minigames.
Oh, there we go.
Dang, bro.
There we go. That was one.
I don't even play this game.
Pause the video if you saw that. Yeah, that.
I'm joking. I didn't. I'm joking. I didn't. I'm joking. Chill.
Please.
Did they report him?
That squibble.
Like actually.
Doodles.